if somebody is implementing a lead lifecycle model for the very first time, what advice would you give?
Follow the documentation.
Okay.
First and foremost, there's a ton of Marketo documentation out there. A lot of users are happy to share their knowledge. So I would really just follow what other people have done, follow the specific documentation. On top of that, keep it simple. Keep it simple until you see what your leads are doing. You don't want to get too granular because you may be missing the point on what your leads are doing. You may be missing the actions of what your leads are doing and how they're acting to certain content, certain campaigns you might be delivering. So keep it simple. Find out where they're actually making their decisions, and then you can adjust from there once you learn the actual, the journey of your specific leads.
Okay, and obviously, just to continue that, how do you sort of incorporate this demographic and those other behavioral factors for implementing lead scoring? So can you please, are there any advices around that?
Yeah, I would say that you want to pay attention to demographic scoring first and foremost. And the reason for that is we've all been in Marketo and we've all seen that you'll get people like students searching, filling out your forms. You'll get people like assistants viewing your webinars and whatnot. These aren't the people that make the decisions. But if you're scoring them the same way, then you're going to be sending all these irrelevant leads off to sales, and you don't want to do that. So you need to pay attention to demographics first and foremost. For example, your job titles. If you have, you want to pay attention to your decision-making job titles, your C-level executives, for example. On top of that, you want to take your C-level executives and don't restrict them just by CEO, just by CFO, just by CMO. You want to do something like create job titles and job functions so that you can put all your C-level executives in the same job function. And with that job function, you can then score them all in that associated manner, so that you're not, so that you don't have 83 different job titles for a specific score. Your scores can get out of hand if you try to go specifically by job titles.